Hi, this is Shari Frasure, and I'm with Keller Williams Greater Lexington, and I'm here with Brad Petty, and he's with Keller Williams also in Bowling Green area. And the reason that Brad and I wanted to come on here and talk is just have a discussion is because we have this very unique product, it's our service. It's called Dream Home Finder, and it doesn't work like other real estate searches because these are properties that we have spent our time and money to find out that these sellers are willing to sell. They just have not been able to for some reason or have been afraid to, and they want to sell. They're motivated, and we are out there trying to find those people, those listings that will not actually go on the public market where everybody else can pick through them and see them. We're not going to be on Zillow. You're not going to find us just by searching online, at least not the properties that we sell. And then once we locate a property and you've told us what areas you're interested in, then we're going to go out there and search diligently to find your dream home, and then we'll help you through that process. But Brad is in a different market area than I am. We're both in Kentucky, and we have been working together to develop this program and get really efficient at it so we can help each other, help our clients and buyers out there that are very frustrated because they have done all the typical searches that everybody else does, and their real estate agent has not been able to get them into the property on time, or they have made offers and they haven't gone anywhere because of the fact that that property is being sold to many other real estate agents and buyers at the same time. So Brad, if you want to just kind of tell people about yourself, where you're located, and kind of describe what you do.
All right, yeah. I'm down in the Bowling Green area, in Bowling Green, Warren County area,
Mm-hmm.
and surrounding counties, which would be Simpson, Allen, Butler, Logan, and, out in Russellville, things, out in those areas. But the same thing happens here as is happening in any other market. Is there's no inventory.
Mm-hmm.
People are they're wanting to buy a home, but they can't find them, and they don't know how to look properly. Properly do a search to find what they're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what we do, more or less. You tell us the area, the price range, tell us what you're looking for, the neighborhood, the amenities of the home, and then we will find those homes for you.
Mm-hmm.
Now, a lot of real estate agents, they'll tell you, oh, use me for your dream home finder. I can find your dream home and all that. But if you ask them how they go about doing it, you're never going to hear target marketing, because they know nothing about target marketing.
Mm-hmm.
It's foreign to them. And this is something Shari and I have been working on for a while, to develop a streamlined process that sometimes will take, a while to get, to find these properties, because it is, it's home sellers that they want to sell, but due to, the current situation, this coronavirus, or just a typical, they don't want to list because they don't want to be inconvenienced. Mm-hmm. These are people that we find that say, you bring me a buyer, we'll sell our home. Mm-hmm. And that's what we do.
Right.
So, we'll go to that neighborhood, and we may find three or four different home sellers. And based on your amenities, I'll go check them out, or we'll go check them out and report back to you. And this is what we found. And we see if we can make a fit.
Yeah. And that is not free to us. I mean, we do spend money, and it definitely takes some time to do, but it's free to the buyer. We don't charge for that service unless we find you a property, and then you're not paying the commission anyway, the seller is. And sometimes we'll do things, we do marketing through the mail. It's called EDDM, and we do things online, looking for certain properties. We may put some feelers out there, and we can also do some research on our MLS. And a lot of people don't understand what an MLS is, and that's nothing but a multi-listing service. And basically we put our listings on there with the description and information, and then other real estate agents have access to it. They have a broad search they can do. But the public, it will go on various different websites, Zillow being one, realtor.com. There's several websites. If you just go on Google and you say home for sale in a certain area, you're going to get several different websites to search from, but they all actually pull information from the same services, the multi-listing service. We have a different board than Brad does, and it's basically our board for our area. But when we're looking at the market in general, we can search for properties anywhere, even outside of the state. We just can't represent a person in another state, but we can help them find an agent that's qualified like we are to do the same thing we do in a Dream Home Finder. There are other agents across the country that do the same service, and we can connect you with those. But the reality is that these search engines are available to the public. They're also search engines for real estate agents too, as well, because if you're looking for something that's not that is outside of your MLS, because there's five actually boards, real estate boards in Kentucky itself. So we may go to the same search engines you do. A lot of times that information is not accurate. Their house may be already pending, and so we can find that out too. But what Brad and I really are doing is looking outside of those typical search engines that you would be seeing too, because there's just a lot more competition there. If the house has been on the market for a while, there's probably a good reason. Most of the time it's price. We can find out what's going on there and help you with those too, but we're typically not going to be talking to you about a home that's already been exposed to the market. At least if it has been, it's been expired or a while back, and that house didn't sell. So Brad and I would know that, and we'd be able to maybe contact the owner to see if they are still interested in selling. And a lot of times they are. They just come off the market because they got frustrated. They might have had a house that they were trying to buy, and it was contingent on their house selling, and it didn't sell. So they took the house off the market because they couldn't find a house that they wanted. And we can offer the same program to them and encourage them to make a move. So I really think that what we offer is very unique. And I don't, if you are interested in looking for a home in either one of our market areas, mine is Central Kentucky. It's any area surrounding Fayette County, Lexington, Kentucky. And a lot of times we don't actually live in the place that our offices are located. So we have even more of a range of marketing that we can do. We would like to offer those services to you. You can always contact us. There's various ways of getting a hold of us, but the easiest way for me is my phone number is 859-229-5945. I'm in, you can text me, you can call me. Usually answer between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. If I don't answer and you send me a text, I'm going to get back with you shortly. You can email me. I'm Shari, SHARI, at realestatebysherry.com. And we are on Facebook. There's just lots of ways that you can get the word out that you want to participate in our Dream Home Finder. So if you have been listening to this video, also we would like to ask you to subscribe, to ring the bell. That way when we do post other videos, that you will be aware of those when we upload them, and you can contact us through that too. So Brad, why don't you tell them how to get a hold of you?
All right. Yeah. Well, you can call or text me at 270-784-3812 or email bradpetty@kw.com.
Okay. And that's KW for Keller Williams.
That's right. And yeah. But Shari brings up a good point about, the MLS. We both know that people searching for homes, they search online. That's where they start. And the Zillow and realtor.com and Truly, all that is pulled from our MLS. So really, you have all the information we do. as a commodity real estate agent. Okay. But, you know, like I said, what we do, we have a proprietary marketing campaign, which is online and offline, to find you those homes that are not listed. And I guess you could think of it as a private sale. So you will avoid multiple offer situations, you know, when it comes for you to buy a home. So, and the same thing applies as far as the contract negotiations. So there's really nothing different besides you're able to actually find the home that you're looking for. So
Right.
there'll be more information on this program coming out in upcoming videos. But
Right.
most important thing to remember, you know, it's our marketing, it's our money that goes out to find you the home, and we all know that the seller pays our fee for it. So
Right. Yeah, we don't
zero
pass
out
that
of pocket
along.
for you. Right.
And there's, of course, so many other things that we do as real estate agents that set us apart from other realtors in our market areas. And we will be talking about those later. Again, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and ring the bell, and or just send us a message. Thanks, Brad.
Yep.
It was great talking to you. And just hold on a minute. Let me stop this recording.